from Pecky's Kitchen. So this is the first time I'll be showing my face in a recipe video. I feel so good about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this beautiful face for the first time, hi, my name is Peculiar, but you can call me Spec. And then if you're a returning subscriber, hey guys, how you doing? So today I'm going to be baking a chocolate cake and I'll be carrying you guys along. So this chocolate cake is like the best seller for my brand. Like, it's so delicious that I keep getting more orders for it, and I'm like, why didn't I film this? So today I'm going to be putting you through on how I prepare my chocolate cake. Come along with me while I bake. So we have here the ingredients that we'll be using. We have the flour, the egg, the flavors, soda, baking powder, our buttermilk. I'll write out the ingredients in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So let's get baking. So we'll start by sieving our flour. I've not sieved this flour yet. So I have my sieve here and my bowl. So I'm done sieving my flour. It's always advisable to sieve your flour because you don't know what condiments or whatsoever that might have been deposited into the flour. So next I'll go on to sieving my other dry agents, my cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. So now that we're done sieving all our dry agents together, our dry ingredients, we just mix them together to achieve a fine combining. So now that we're done sieving all the dry agents, we add our sugar. We don't need to sieve the sugar, so we just add it together. This is a lot of sugar and a lot of flour because I'm baking a big cake for a client, but it just makes sense to film this recipe now. So if you want to bake a smaller cake, you can just divide the recipe. So we are mixing in our sugar now. So we are done with our dry ingredient now. Time to get to our wet ingredients. In another bowl, I'm pouring in my egg, my milk. Note, I used buttermilk for this recipe. Next, I'm pouring in my oil. Literally, this process just literally means you putting all your wet ingredients together. So you just mix together. Next, I'll be putting in my flavor. I have here milk emulsion flavor. I love it so much because it just gives my cake this milky feeling, in addition to the buttermilk I already put. Then next, I have this chocolate flavor. So yeah, that's the flavor amount of flavor we'll be using. You just stir. And then lastly, we have hot water here. Is this color because I added the hot water into the cup where the buttermilk was before. So I'm just going to pour it. Pour. This is going to be a very large cake. So if you want to make a smaller cake, you just need to just divide the recipe into 2 or 3. So now that we have this here, I'm going to be pouring this liquid mixture into the dry ingredients. So you just make like sort of like a well in your dry ingredients and then pour in your liquid mixture. This is like one of the easiest cakes to bake, I'm telling you. Oh, do you like how that looks? So now I just mix this together. Don't over whisk it and don't overbeat it. Just take your time till everything goes round. So our chocolate cake mixture is ready. Like, you can already tell how fluffy this cake will come out by the way it's looking. Like, you can tell how fluffy your cake will come out by the appearance of your batter. Just look at how creamy and chocolatey this batter is. Like, gosh, please, it's giving. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm just going to transfer this into my cake pan. Oh, chocolatey. So it's just going to be half filled because the cake needs space to rise so that it doesn't overflow inside the oven. Meanwhile, my oven is already on because you have to preheat your oven before you put in your cake. So our oven is already preheated. Time to put in our cake. Hey guys, welcome back. So this is our chocolate cake. This is what that beauty that you saw, that beautiful butter. This is the size that came out. This is a 9-inch cake, 3 layers. So if you want just a smaller cake, you can divide your butter into 3 or into 2. It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. You need to give this recipe a try. If you do give this recipe a try, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at SpecKate or at Spec Moments. Do well to give this video a very big fat thumbs up, and please comment. I want to see your thoughts, and if there's any recipe you have in mind that you want me to drop, I'm here for you. Just let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I remain your girl Spec.